Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to activate your balance in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the balance section, click on that, and then click on the activate balance button. And in order to activate it, you need to set the account holder's first name, the last name, and the date of birth. So once you filled them out, just click on the activate balance button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.